next question is a bit scary. Okay, it is cos upon cos 1540 degrees. Okay, so that looks more like 1340, so it's 1540. Okay, it's 1540. Yes, 1540. Okay, let me just write it again. Okay, so I want you to solve this now. Okay, so how will you solve this, guys? How will you solve this? Okay, these are not very tough. Now it can come in your board exam as well. So how do you solve this? So this is how you solve it, guys. Look. In class 11, when you studied allied angles, you might have learned this. So basically it is 360 times 4 plus 100. Okay? And then you have cos. Okay, then you have cos 100. Okay? And then the answer becomes 100. So basically, guys, this is the answer to this question. So basically what happens, guys, is that this question can be, like, basically what happens is that the answer of this can also be in radians. So if you see the answer in pi, then the answer is in radians. And I'm sure you already know how to convert anything into radians. But this is the answer to this question. Okay? So why don't you guys try this one? 1550. I want you guys to try this one. Okay? Okay, I want you guys to try this one. And then I want you guys to try this. Sine, negative sine 600. Okay? I want you to try this, and then I want to try it in any order, it doesn't really matter. Okay, but I'm going to solve that one first and then this one. Okay? So I hope you understood this. Now remember, the answer can be in radians, so you can convert it in radians as well. I'm sure you're smart enough to do that. Okay, so I hope you took this down. No. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. It fell. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so for this one, now guys, you can do this. Look, you can do 180 multiplied by negative 3, okay, plus 60, okay, you can say plus 60, okay, and then now here you can have sine, negative sine, okay, then you can have negative sine 60, okay, and then the answer you get here is 60, okay, so you can basically, I'm sure you can convert that into radians. I'm sure you can convert this from degree to radians. I'm sure you can convert that. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to give you a value for this in radians, and I want to and I want you to tell me whether I'm right or not. Okay? Now, and I'm seriously telling you, I'm not playing around here. Excuse me. I'm not playing around here. I'm seriously telling you. I'm not playing around here, guys. I'm seriously telling you. I'm gonna give this a value, and then I want you to tell me whether I was right or not. You can even write it in the comments if you want. So radians for this is pi over 4. Okay? I think it's correct. Okay? Now I want you to tell me whether I'm right or wrong. I'm serious, guys. I'm not playing around here. I want to see whether you know how to convert from radians to, you know. Okay? Now, let me tell you one thing. This is wrong. This is wrong. Okay? So what is the correct answer? This is one thing I want you to find out. Okay? Pi by 4 is wrong. I want you to find out which is correct. Okay? So now you can move on to that question there. Okay? You can move on to that question. Okay? Okay, so let's do it. Fifteen. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. I just. Okay. Okay, so try solving this one now. So this is what it is. Guys, I was just checking whether my answer was right or not. If it wasn't gonna be right, well then I was gonna correct it. So swap 0. Okay. So now, guys, I'm sure you can take it from here. Now, guys, the question here is this. Now, guys, remember, okay? Don't forget. Now, guys, in the previous question, I think I forgot. No, in the previous question, guys, it was negative, and then it became positive. I forgot to tell you that in the previous question. But here, this is going to be. Now, guys, remember, this might sound weird to you, but when you convert this into radians, you'll know that it makes sense. Now remember, guys, it's in another quadrant, so it's not in the quadrant it's supposed to be in, okay? So let's move on now. Yeah, let's move on. Okay, now I have a very interesting question for you. Excuse me. Now this question you should be able to solve. We've already done 2 questions like this. One which we already did 2 like this. Cos 2 pi by 3. Okay, I'm gonna check now I don't make any mistake. okay, plus sine 2 pi by 3. Okay? So now I want you to solve this. Okay? I want you to solve this. Now basically guys, this is very easy. Okay? You should be able to do it. Okay, you should be able to do it. Try it. You should be able to do it. Okay. Okay. So as you know, according to the principal branch value, this stays as this. Okay? And this here becomes this. And then this becomes 2 pi by 3 plus sine pi by 3. Okay, so then this becomes 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 3. Okay, and then this equals to 3 pi by 3. And then your answer becomes pi. Okay? So this is your answer. Okay? So now let's do another question, okay? Now I hope you've taken this down. Now let's do another one now. Okay. Let's do another question now, guys. So you have cos half, okay, plus 2 sine